Hello guys, welcome to Dope Crafts. My name is Idrees, back with a new amazing video. So today in this video we're gonna make a wall lamp which is gonna be like this, and for making that wall lamp we need, so before getting into the video, subscribe and click the bell icon. If you want to subscribe you can click here to subscribe. So let's get into the video and let's start making the lamp. So I'm gonna draw a logo of thunder. I'm gonna draw thunder on it. So before drawing, let me just move this camera from here. Yeah. So firstly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw here the logo of thunder. Keep it. I'm gonna cut this with the help of a cutter and scissors. And we're done. Keep this one aside because we're not gonna paint it. If you want, you can paint it. And I'm gonna keep this one aside right here. And then I'm gonna take one of these. This one. Yeah, I'm going to use its corner with this. I'm going to take the corners of this part forward like this and just cut it out. Then I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to do two halves. I'm going to paper tape. I'm going to just take it out. Cut it out, and I'm gonna just fold it like this. Just take the tape on like this. This. Now guys, I was thinking that I would just leave it like this, but here I've got tape. It's a black color tape. It looks very good. Glossy tape. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just stick this tape all around the piece or cardboard art. Covering with the tape. Here's how it looks, and you can see, look at the gloss finish. Now I'm going to turn it around, take the cylindrical pieces out. I'm going to take the glue out. I'm sticking with the example of glue. Here I'm having two LED lights. Now these are gonna light up when I connect it to here. As you can see, connect it to a battery. Here there are two lights. One is blue and one is white. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a small piece of wire like this. Just gonna peel these two, separate these two and peel them off. Yeah, as you can see. Now let me just peel them off. I'm gonna take one end and put it on the positive side, negative side on any side. The side on which the resistors, as you can see there are some resistors on that side. We're gonna put the where there are resistors is the positive side